Hello Ritala, welcome to my episode of Seeing the UK in the POV of a Motswana. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys the London Underground train station. This is where I travel underground. It's very busy, but it's cool.
If they say why, if they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say...
One other thing to say about London Underground, especially in London, they're very fast. Like,
Why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way?
the thing more London Underground, so sometimes I get actually
If they say why, if they say why.